This is the MeacoDry Arete One 6 litre compact dehumidifier and air purifier. It's really nice. It's really small, and as you can see, I've got it sat on my daughter's desk here or by the wall. It's, I think, the smallest dehumidifier that Meaco sell, and it is a bit of a marvel. I'm used to really bigger, much bigger dehumidifiers, but this 6 litre model is ideal for maybe smaller flats or even student accommodation or student bedrooms. They prevent damp, mould and condensation. I've been using a dehumidifier for about 3 years now, and it has completely changed our home. This room that you're seeing the footage of was absolutely covered in mould in all kinds of different corners behind the beds and furniture. And since I've had a dehumidifier, I've not had any mould problems come back. They've been really worth it for us. When I unbox a dehumidifier, I shoot lots of footage of it for the review, the unboxing first impressions review. That video for this model, the 6 litre Arete One from Meaco, is down in the description. But when I shoot all of this footage, I thought it would be nice if I just share it with you. So this is just a video of this dehumidifier from lots and lots of different angles, so you can judge for yourself if this unit is right for your home. It has a built-in handle, and it has a really simple wipe clean display, which is really nice. It's really compact, and when I plugged in a power meter, I worked out that the running costs at the moment at time of recording work out at about 3p per hour, which obviously nobody likes spending money, but for us it was much better to have cleaner, drier air, which is cheaper to heat, and also use it for the laundry. So you can put this in a room and have your laundry out and not have to use the tumble dryer, which has been the biggest revelation for us with all dehumidifiers, but you can do that with this one. It's also an air purifier, so there's a filter at the back, like a coarse wire filter just to stop dust getting into the fan. But it also comes with a HEPA filter, which I believe, I've been told, cleans the air and removes dust, smaller dust particles, and maybe even mold spores as well. They're not cheap to replace, but I've replaced mine recently and it really helps the efficiency of the dehumidifier. And it's really nice just to have proper clean air as well, especially as I really don't want that mold to come back. The best thing with any dehumidifier, but particularly this one, is that it stops condensation, and where the condensation happens, that's where the mould starts to grow. So this bedroom that you're seeing it in, I've recorded humidity at levels of around 83%, and I don't know if you can see on the display, but it has managed to bring those humidity levels down to nearer 50 and 55%, which is much better to breathe, much better to prevent the mold. Anyway, if you want to find out more, have a look in the description. There's a link to my proper unboxing first impressions review where I go through everything. I'll leave you with more footage of this unit alongside some of the other dehumidifiers. All the details are down in the description.